Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Python exists and that your shell can find it. Run Python 3 version, then which Python 3 to get the executable path. On Windows use where Python. If the command returns nothing, the binary isn't on path. Once you know the install folder, open your shell profile or system environment variables and add that path. This step fixes 90% of command not found cases because the shell needs a direct path to execute the interpreter. Next, you add Python to path so the shell locates it every session. For a quick test, export path equals /path/ to /python $path and run Python version. If it works, edit /, bashrc or /, zshrc and append the same export for persistence. On Windows, open environment variables, edit path, and add the folder containing Python. exe. Once done, restart your terminal or run source /. Bashrc to apply change. To finish, resolve common edge cases. Create or fix a Python symlink so Python maps to Python 3 using ln_sf when appropriate, because scripts often call Python explicitly. If you use virtual environments, activate them with source venv /bin/activate or recreate with Python mvenv. Virtualenvs override system path. If commands still fail, reinstall Python with your package manager and make sure shell startup files load in correct order. Troubleshooting tip: reopen a fresh terminal and run which Python to confirm the final result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.